Okay, so welcome back to Pree Dis, your vibe with Casmar. We're here with a guest. Now, remind me of your name again, please?
Carla.
Hey, Carla, is this your first time in Jamaica?
Second time.
Second time.
Yeah.
So is this your first time at Dolphin Cove?
Yes.
So what keeps you coming back to Jamaica, and why did you decide to come to Dolphin Cove?
Oh, Jamaican people are great, fun people. And Dolphin Cove, a lot of fun. Got to come.
All right, nice. Where are you from?
Scotland.
Big up Scotland. The first time I talked to a Scottish, you know.
Good.
You learn any patter from you been here?
I bet, yeah, man.
She knows something. Now let's talk about Dewie. Can you dance? Have you learned any Jamaican dance?
No.
None. You can't even do like no linger or swag. She better than me. Now Dewie, he's going to be giving us the latest moves in dancehall. So this is our Busta Move dance segment right here on Pree Dis. Anything you want to say before we go?
Yeah, man.
Mad.
This segment is brought to you by Busta Move.
Fresh like water, me roll out clean as my heart. Touch on the beach, girl I scream and I talk. Over 36 BBP, so me and kill me angle it back. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Every day I make clean, I don't know where I make clean. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Every day I make clean, I don't know where I make clean. Run straight up. No man no watch that.
Okay, so I don't understand, Georgia. When I was with the iguana and the snake, I never say just run away, leave me. What that?
I didn't want to get in your picture. I was in the background.
You're afraid of the snake, don't you?
No.
Okay, now talk to us about like what are the do's and don'ts of being here at Dolphin Cove.
Well, we have a precaution about not using suntan lotion before interacting with the dolphins. This actually burns their eyes, so we ask the guests not to. Maybe an hour or so before they do the interaction.
Okay.
And also we do not want you to feed the animals because you know what you're eating might not be the right thing for them. So we provide the food, you can buy the fish food and then you can feed the fish.
Okay, so from one tip to the next tip, we're going to be talking about gas prices because you know in the world, especially here in Jamaica, gas prices continue to go up every week. Now of course we have a little tip right here brought to you by Petcom. Now listen up, Pree Dis. Avoid keeping unnecessary items in your vehicle, especially heavy ones. An extra 100 pounds in your vehicle could reduce your miles per gallon by up to 2%. The reduction is based on the percentage of extra weight relative to the vehicle's weight and affects smaller vehicles more than larger ones. This fuel-saving tip was brought to you by Petcom, rising to your expectations. Yo, boss, I don't understand you. Could I just take the stairs right there so still, you don't need for a climb, you know? We're in the 21st century. But anyway, we're going to take our final commercial, but don't worry about it. We still have a lot more Pree Dis. Remember, we have the Line Top 10 Singles chart coming up, so you don't want to miss that. Pree Dis.